and they encontokwa ewa abonten na emom empuntuo ene nkoso ene ese nananom etimi boa na niema koso.
Nana Brimpong says he took delivery of the vehicle through a partnership with some Germans. Nana Brimpong, however, expresses his displeasure with the government for levying tariffs on goods intended to benefit communities. He says, but for the assistance of the Ashanti and Greater Accra regional commanders of the Ghana National Fire Service, he would have had to pay exorbitant duties at the Tema port before clearing the vehicle.
Fire truck we be di Tema pe ne afre na Atwima hene sa fire truck we udin e wo bill of lading so.
When this fire engine arrived in Tema, they called and told me that because my name was on the bill, I should come and pay the duty. Then I asked, why should I pay when I'm fighting for the development of my country and my town? When every district is supposed to have a fire station, as promised by the president, can I use this fire vehicle for business purposes here? Is that possible? So I knew they had made a mistake. I'm saying this to thank and praise the fire service for their efforts. I alerted the fire commander here, who forwarded it to the commander in Accra. They went through all of the proper procedures before handing it over to us without paying any duty.
Fire commander or one crime and a processor almost at the faso at the year no or my year at the amaye at the entry duty be
According to the chief, the poor state of roads in the area will make it difficult for fire personnel to travel to fire scenes.
Road minister.
We will also make an appeal to the road minister. They have been here before, as I have informed them that he should strive to assist us construct our road. That if anything were to happen, God forbid, the fire engine could quickly save us. So I am appealing to the minister to come to our aid.
The Ashanti Regional Fire Commander, ACFO Henry Giwa, commends Nana Brimpong for his continued commitment to the district development.
Shared vision. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Nana Entry, A.J. Brimpong II, the Atwima Hene, the district chief executive, the Atwima district and people of the German city of Moa, who through their existing sister city relationship have made this donation a reality. This fire engine we are receiving today is a testimony to your collective support, and we appreciate for our invaluable service, and we say a big thank you to you all.
He says the vehicle will help to strengthen and improve their emergency response competencies.
And it is our belief as a service that it will go a long way to strengthen and enhance our emergency response capabilities. We also acknowledge the support of our community members who have shown steadfast trust in our personnel station here.
Mr. Giwa says the fire service has been working tirelessly to limit the number of fire outbreaks in the region.
As a service, we have strived to reduce the number of fire incidents from 668 from January to May to 532 for the same period of this year.
And therefore, very close to the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. There is no development, big businesses.
The district chief executive for Kwanwoma district, Prince Kari, commends the chief for his assistance in developing the area. He acknowledges that the fire engine can work efficiently if the road connecting the area is fixed.
Every measure, every decision, every step that should be taken to ensure the road is done has been taken by the Member of Parliament and my very good self. The contractor is obviously the problem here. The contract was awarded about 6 years ago, and when you come here and you inspect the road, you don't see any major works on the road. So we are taking steps to explain to the authorities that be, and we are very hopeful that very soon something good might come up from them to ensure the road is properly done.
A report by Mohammed Nurudeen.